Today, me and Scruffy are going to unbox this kit from Jaded Gem Shop. It is of, okay, move your butthole. It's of a gamer girl from Jaded Gem Shop. It measures 60 by 60 centimeters, and I'm very excited because this is literally me with my Nintendo Switch Lite. I don't have these uWu. These uWu headphones, but that's literally me playing games alone every single night. That's my life. So anyways, let's get into it. Okay, so we have what's gonna fall out. It's always a surprise. We have our drills, 2 of 2, and we have, oh my goodness, okay, look at this. Doesn't this remind you of cotton candy? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. 1 of 1. Here are the colors. Cotton candy. 2 of 2. Here are the drills. It is a square diamond painting. I love these colors. So pastel, so pretty. And then we also have, I love these cover papers or release papers, whatever you want to call them. They're double-sided. And I just love them because I like to make big sections and I like to rest my hand on them. So highly recommend using those. Then you also get a sticker sheet. Here's a bigger thumbnail of the image, 60 by 60. What's wrong with her legs? Oh, I was like, she hurt herself. That's me from sitting on my knees all the time. And then she has some tattoos. Okay, cute. She's kind of a nerd. I dig it. And there is, holy crap, 67 colors. Do I even have containers to kit this up? I was not expecting 67 colors, but here's the schematic. Wow, okay. I'm very excited. Oh, and we have some green washi tape, jade colored washi tape. Wow, you guys, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, she's adorable. I've never seen this one unboxed before, so I'm really excited to show you guys this. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. What is that? I didn't even notice that. That is, I think that's a body pillow. She has a waifu body pillow. Okay, this is definitely me. I should see about changing her glasses to blue or something. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. She's adorable. I love her so much. My voice, I'm losing my voice because I drank something with citrus in it and citrus hates me, so. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Ooh, and we have the schematic on the left-hand side. Usually with Jade's kits, they're at the bottom, so I'm very surprised to see it here. What are you doing over there? Anyways, okay, so let's take another look. 60 by 60 square diamond painting. Here's the schematic. I did not order this with ABs or crystals, but you can add those to your order if you'd like. 67 colors. Crazy, let's go. Okay, we'll take a closer look at the drill field. Sorry, I'm just distracted by staring at this image. I love her. It'll be interesting to see how her face comes out. There's the moonlight. Here's her switch. Here's her leg tattoos. Here's her special area. Here's her waifu pillow. Her socks. Oh my goodness. I think this looks great. And like, okay, so I've worked on a lot of kits from Jade before, so I probably won't have any issues. Like, I'm just guessing from experience and I'm not going to have any issues. So, I don't know. It's just like really nice. Oh, and it's by, oh my goodness, am I collecting a lot of her artwork? By Chao Illustrations. I have another diamond painting unboxing from this artist. I'll put the link in the description box below. Okay, so you can get this image. I don't know if this is the cropped image or if you can get the full image. I can't say. I don't know. I'll put it up on the screen. I'll look on Jade's website and share a screenshot of it. I opted for 60 by 60 because I was like, you know, I'm kind of tired of doing super huge diamond paintings. So I was like, I'm just going to go for 60 by 60. And I think this rendering turned out pretty well for the size. Like, I'm not mad, bro. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Anyways, this is a really quick unboxing of Gamer Girl from Jaded Gem Shop by Chao Illustrations. Let me know what you guys think of this. Let me know what you think of the drills. For one, like, I really love Jade's drills. Am I doing a goodbye tour? Okay. I really love Jade's drills. I've never had issues with them before, and this is the kit that I'm going to work on next. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see me work on it. I'll probably work on it in a whip and chat if I ever upload one ever again, and when I go live on Tuesdays if I ever go live ever again. But hit the subscribe button if you like watching diamond painting unboxings. I'm very excited because this kit is very special to me because I feel like it's me, even though it's not, obviously, because I don't have pink hair and uWu headset. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!